Here are a few things to know about operating the Doodle Mop. To charge the Doodle Mop, use the provided charger that plugs into the handle. It also has a battery meter located on the side of the machine. On the handle of the Doodle Mop, there is a clip with a wing nut used to connect the base to the machine. The clip can attach to two different places, on the side and on the end. Tighten the wing nut at the base of the clip to securely attach the handle. Then, plug in the cord coming from the handle into the base of the machine. Next, you can plug in the Doodle Mop and begin cleaning. If you are using the bat mop, make certain that you unplug the charger. To operate the Doodle Mop, squeeze the trigger at the opposite end of the handle. Throw away the used disposable microfiber pad after use. To remove the base from the Doodle Mop, unplug the cord from the base, loosen the wing nut, and move the handle to one side until the clip releases. When you are finished using the machine, wipe down the Doodle Mop with a damp microfiber pad and clean out any debris in the space above the base plate. Using a disposable microfiber pad reduces the risk for cross-contamination between rooms. The Doodle Mop works great wet or dry on a variety of surfaces. It greatly improves soil and biofilm removal on floors like LVT, VCT, and rubberized flooring. The Doodle Mop comes in a corded and a battery-powered version. The corded model has a 30-foot power cord, and the battery-powered model, the Bat Mop, has about a 1-hour constant run time and a 2-hour charge time. Operating at 4,100 RPM, the Doodle Mop cleans about 1,500 to 2,500 square feet per hour. The compact design allows you to reach those hard-to-reach areas.